Okay, now I got a manometer hooked up. I had to build one because I couldn't get one on the market right now, and I put a spirometer on it, and it's set for 500 millimeters right now, and you can see it goes up with a peak spiratory pressure of just under 40 centimeters water, and plateau pressure at about 30 centimeters of water. That is with the overpressure valve. That's the 40 centimeter of water pressure. Yeah, it's from a child BVM bag. And let's see here. Again, we can change the volume. Let me go turn it off. And so by just loosening this bolt and adjusting it up, we can change the volume. It is set to 500, as you can see right now. I can just let me set it up here real quick, and I will set it up to 750 so you can see the difference. I'm going to start it up one more time. And there you can see the barometer, 500. Okay. And, respiration rate is set via the trim pod. We're still working on getting everything hooked up to, it's a servo motor, so we can hook it up to a programmable microcontroller to actually adjust everything through software. So it would be ideal then. And hold on, I'll get the setting